Hello, good morning. Today, 21st April, Tuesday, cubes and cube roots. Last topic is that in cubes and cube root, find the cube root using estimation method. Estimation method. This is the main sum in square and square root. Find the square root using estimation method and find the cube root of the following numbers through estimations. First part, 10,648, 91,125, 1,10,592, 1,75,616, 47,41,632. There are 5 parts. I solve here first and third, and rest one second, fourth and fifth you try to solve yourself. So I go for first part. Find the cube root of 10,648 through estimation method. Find the cube root. For estimation methods, form the group of 3 digits. Form the group of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit. It means from ones place. So 3 digits, ones, tens, hundred. This is your first group, and 0, 1 is your second group. Second group will be either your 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and so on. But when you start making the groups starting from the rightmost digit, in first group you have only 3 digit. In first group you have only 3 digits, and in second group either you have 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit and so on. So is it okay? So first your work is form the group of 3 digit starting from the rightmost digit. So 8, 4, 6 is your first group and 0, 1 is your second group. First group is equal to 648 and second group is equal to 10. Is it clear? Now find their cube root using estimation. Estimation means guess your answer. Guess your answer. Now let us consider first group, that is 648. In 648, 8 occurs in one's place. 8 occurs in one's place. So cube of 8 is 512. Then find the cube of 8. Cube of 8 is 512. In 512, 2 occurs in one place. So this 2 qualifies for the ones place of the cube root of the given number. Again I repeat this step. Let us consider first group, that is 648. In 648, in first group, 8 occurs in one's place. So find the cube of this one's place, that is 512. In 512 again 2 occurs in one place. So 2 qualifies for the ones place of the cube root of the given number. So from first group you can find the unit place or ones place. So ones place is your 2. Now go for second group, that is 10. 10. Choose two perfect cube number, one smaller than 10, other greater than 10. So smaller perfect cube number is 8 and greater is 27. Now 8 is less than 10 is less than 27, or 2 cube is less than 10 is less than 3 cube. So the smaller number between 2 and 3 is 2. So the smaller number between 2 and 3 is 2, which qualifies for the tens place of the cube root of the given number. Therefore cube root of 10,648 is equal to, for ones place 2 and tens place 2, 22. So in this way we can find the cube root using estimation method. There are 5 digit numbers. Again I go for a third part, that is 6 digit, 1,10,592. Again find their cube root using estimation method. Guess your answers. First group is, so form the group of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit or ones place, that is ones, tens, hundred, 592. First group and 0 1 1 is your second group. Again, dear students, again I announce it that in second group there will be either 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit and so on. But in first group there will be only 3 digit. Okay, so first group is equal to 5 and 92 and second group 1 and 10. So next, let us consider first group, that is 5 and 92. 2 occurs in one's place. So what is the cube of 2? 8. So 8 qualifies for the ones place of the cube root. So to find the cube root of the given numbers, its ones place is 8. Now go for second group, 1 and 10. So choose two perfect cube number in which 1 and 10 lies in between. That is 4 4 jar 16, 4 jar 64 and 5 5 jar 25, 5 jar 125. 64 is less than 110 is less than 125, or 4 cube is less than 1 and 10 is less than 5 cube. So the smaller number between 4 and 5 is 4. So 4 qualifies for the tens place of the cube root of the given number. Therefore, cube root of 1 and 10, cube root of 1,10,592 is 48. 4 qualifies for the 4 is your smaller number, that it is qualifies for the tens place. Tens place is your 4 and ones place is your 8. So in this way you can solve other three parts, that is 91,125, 1,75,616 and 47,41,632. Dear children, listen here. Here are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits. So if you make the group starting from the rightmost digit, first group is your 632 and in second group there will be 4 digits. So 4741. In second group, choose two perfect cube number in which this given number lies. It means 16 cube is equal to 4096 and 17 cube is equal to 4913. It is lies in between 16 and 17 and the cube of 2 is 8. The smaller number is 16. Therefore, its cube root is 168. In this way, you can find their cube root. Now, next, question number second, evaluate cube root of 288, cube root of 72 and cube root of 27. How we can find their values? First, we can find the cube root of 27. The cube root of 27 is 3. 72 3s are 216. Again 216 is your perfect cube number. Its cube root is 6. Now cube root of 288 into 6 is equal to 1728. So 1728 is again your perfect cube number. Its cube root is 12. Either you can find its cube root using prime factorization method. Next, question number third, find the volume of a cube whose surface area is 150 square meter. Find the volume of a cube. What will be the volume of a cube? L cube, H whole cube. Whose surface area? Surface area means surface area of a cube means 6L square is equal to 150. From this 6L square you can find L, H. Surface area of a cube is equal to 150 square meter. 6L square is equal to 150, or L square is equal to 150 upon 6 is equal to 2.25. L square is equal to 5 square. Square and square, left hand side and right hand side, if they have same powers will be cancels. L is equal to 5 meter. Therefore, volume of a cube is equal to L cube. 5 cube is equal to 125 cubic meter. So, volume of a cube is equal to 125 cubic meters. Again, question 4th and question 5th will be your homework. Find the cubes of, what do you mean by cubes? Any number raised to the power 3. So you can multiply 0.6 by 3 times, minus 3.1 by 3 times, and minus 0.01 by 3 times. And question 5th, homework again, find the cube root of 0.000001. Find the cube root of. These two questions will be your homework. So thanking you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.